Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Wow, spider, black color spider, very nice, very beautiful. Spiders are the real superheroes. Wow, monkey, blue color monkey, very nice. Wow, kangaroo, very nice, very beautiful. Kangaroos are large marsupials that are found only in Australia. Good. Wow, snake, black color snake. I am very scared but very nice. Wow, ladybug, red and black color. It's very soft, very nice, very nice. Wow, sea lion. It's sea animals. Wow, big size rhinoceros. Wow, very nice, very beautiful water animals. Wow, dog, very nice. Wow, crab, very nice. Body covered by a shell. Crab usually moves sideways. Wow, shark, very nice, very beautiful. Sea animals. Wow, giraffe, long legs and necks, but relatively short bodies. Wow, cow, black and white color, very nice. Wow, chimpanzee, black color chimpanzee, very nice. Wow, blue color dolphin, very nice, very beautiful. Sea animals. Wow, wolf, very nice. Big size wolf. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep support.